Lay box on the floor and open carefully with a knife or scissors. The item description and size is shown on the side of the box. Carefully unpack components. Full material list is as shown. Tools required are as shown. Lay right hand panel on the floor with the shelf louver to the bottom. Insert front panel and tap into place as shown. Select the top shelf has no cutouts to flange, and push in the wings using a flat head screwdriver. Open doors so they lay flat on the floor. Insert the rear panel with the large plinth to the bottom. Fix panel into place using 3 screws, but do not fix through the top shelf. Clip over the left-hand panel to the rear and then connect over the front panel as shown. Secure left-hand panel to the rear using 3 screws and an extra 2 screws for the top shelf. Fit the remaining shelves by tapping into place, keeping the notched flange at the front. Once in place, push through the wings. Insert captive coat hook over the garment rail and place into the slots provided on the side panels. This will only be for single door and 2-door lockers. Locker is now fully assembled.